guys, today we are playing Roblox BedWars, and this is our first video. So let's show you the rules. So these are the rules of BedWars. So let's get started. So guys, we're getting started with the game. So guys, we're very excited. So Alex, I think you should cover the bed and I'm going to get the basic materials.
Okay, so I'll do that. Let me just get some wool, Thomas.
Okay.
So guys, I'm going to tell you a joke. What's the coolest mushroom? The fun guy. Ha, ha, ha. I hope you laughed at that. I think it's funny, but I don't make puns. I make good jokes. So hope you laughed. The guy laughed.
Alex, you're not the best at making jokes.
Hey. Mr. Smarty Pants. I make okay. Oh, wait, somebody's here.
What already?
Yeah.
What? Oh my goodness.
Okay. That's not...
Pretend that didn't happen, okay?
Yeah, that didn't happen.
Just scratch off that part, okay?
Scratch off that part and we'll just make another one.
Yes.
Let's just make... I can't believe...
They just went right for us. Like, I thought they were going to take a moment, and they only had a wooden sword. And I think they had iron armor. I was like, I don't remember. They just looked like they had iron armor, but I don't know.
Okay.
So guys, we're going to start another match because that one was bad. And make sure you don't remember that time, okay?
Yeah. Just cut this point out. But we're not going to cut it. But just try to remember this funny part. Don't call me a pun. I don't make puns. I only make... Okay.
Alex, the match is going to start soon.
Oh, yeah. No, I came in. Oh, sorry guys. My computer's a little slow. It's just...
Okay.
Small computer.
We're blue team, Alex.
Oh, really?
Okay, Alex. This time, try to protect it a little more, Alex.
Okay.
Maybe we first should protect it, right?
Yeah. Hey, I was...
Oh, and guys, if you're wondering what's wrong with my skin, when you start this, on the bottom of your screen, there's something called kit, and you could change your skin, and you could get some new this is a hammer. You could upgrade stuff, so you could get different stuff from it.
Wait, somebody destroyed somebody's bed. It's not ours, but somebody's doing it quick.
They probably are speed running.
Yeah. I don't get how people don't die when they speed run.
Me too, I don't get that too. Okay, so Alex, now I'm going to Diamond. And wait, there's purple team?
Oh wait, there's new colors. There's orange, pink, Simon.
Oh, maybe because this round there's a lot of one.
No, because this round it doesn't have a lot.
Oh yeah, that makes more sense actually.
That's weird though, kinda. I actually never noticed.
And the beds are really close. I just noticed that. Was it was just there? Okay, so that I actually didn't notice that yet. At least we noticed it.
Oh, I thought it was somebody else with a suit. Oh, I actually thought you were somebody like turns big up, but you weren't though.
Okay, so Alex, I'm going to get some team generators with these diamonds.
That's really close.
Alex, 2 diamonds already.
Okay, so get 4.
I know, I'm getting 4.
Oh, Thomas, maybe come back because maybe we had to upgrade some wool because it looks like. Oh my God, people already have
Wait, oh, I can see that coming through. Okay, at least I didn't see that coming through. Okay. That's a lot. There's a lot of iron left.
I know. I
happening to us? What? Wait. Come back, Alex!
Wait, you
No, Uchi! No, I fell!
serious again?
Okay,
This is harder than I expected. We already played this game, but it's still
with
hard.
4 people instead.
Okay, we should please make. You protect the bed and I make walls this time.
When did we ever decide that you really... Okay.
Hey, I'm the person to make a lot of walls.
Okay.
You can use. But I think because this round's so small, they made different color.
And more teams
So
out.
that's
You know.
96 wins.
That's a lot of wins.
I don't know.
Okay.
Maybe they win every day now.
I don't think so, Alex. That's...
Maybe
Only if they're like a pro. I don't think
I don't get
somebody
why
could do that.
I don't get why you get stone surge in the beginning. But it's
But you don't in like the real game, but like maybe it's just to
No,
like show
There's
off to
pink,
people.
orange, cyan. Oh,
What the?
no, I think I.
Wait. Hey, there's somebody with one of my names, Noob 2047, and that is not me. I'm just Noob, and that's just Yeet.
Hey! I don't need stuff around. Okay, maybe a little, but I need boomerangs. You have a toy boomerang?
That's not a boomerang. That's more like a toy that you throw.
Hey, it looks like a boomerang.
Sorry, guys. That laugh.
I wish you could space out some more.
Oh, Alex, we're really close to diamond this round.
Really? Oh, wow.
So close, actually.
I was like,
Okay,
you guys
Oh.
peeled.
I can't peel my eyes, Alex. I know.
Why do I keep
Are you falling?
sports keep getting so much better?
What?
Void.
What
This
color?
play called Void. And they get
Wait. I heard about that color. I don't know how you look.
It's not a color, it's somebody.
Oh, I thought you meant the color of void. I never heard that. But I
If you
think
check-
that
if you
wait,
check-
somebody. Never mind.
If you check the Void, somebody's on. It's like somebody's name's Void. Oh, let me.
Oh, Alex, we could get the team generator.
Yes. I don't know why I'm so happy to get a team generator.
Hey,
Yes, I can get armor.
hey, at least you got team generators. That's pretty good. Tier 1. Let's get it to tier
No, I only.
2.
Yeah.
Alex, people are coming. Oh, they're just breaking out bed. Sorry, I trust.
Finally.
Some action?
No, before I had some button I had to attack with. Now I just can't click and I attack. Finally.
I have the perfect plan.
What? No, they're
Whoa.
coming. No.
Why?
Yes, we could. Touch protect.
Oh.
Oh, they got breaking speed.
How's? Oh, okay, that makes more sense. Ooh, oh. No, I thought I only had level armor, so I thought I could get iron armor, but then I just noticed I don't have level armor yet. Actually, I'm going. What should I get? I think I'm going to get blast proof cement. Okay.
Okay, that was I was thinking. But you can help me too.
I just noticed something.
Come on.
Did our bed get broken already?
No. Why?
I thought.
Wait, did our bed get broken?
Then why are we? I'm not actually. I'm going to just throw this off the cliff because I don't need it anymore.
Wait,
Why?
did our bed broken?
I don't remember now.
Wait, let me check. I never sift. I hate sifting.
Okay. Alex, be careful. Orange thought
Our bed is destroyed.
Alex, Orange thought we were going to fall. They built it a trick. One block is disappeared.
So scary.
Alex, you just say how good it's Owens. We don't have to say their names.
Okay, I'll just do that, Mr. Picky Pants.
I'm very confused, Alex.
What?
I'm at Dreams Generator, but I have no iron collecting. I'm going. How does yellow bed is only wool.
Oh, yellow?
Yeah, it's so weak.
Wait, let me build some walls, and now I'm getting scared.
It's so weak though, Alex.
Okay, you don't.
Oh no, I died, Alex. This is bad news.
Protect all my walls. Nobody comes from the back.
Alex, I'm going to
At least it's still empty.
take somebody named M.I.A.
Oh yeah,
Mia.
I'm sorry.
Be careful!
No,
You're going to fall off! Ouch!
Yeah.
Stop screaming!
Well, let's Harry, go back to lobby.
Okay. So, guys, Alex, we're going to do this one last time, and I at least want to get something.
Yeah, at least let's do it cool.
Oh, and guys, you know what I'm wondering? How does somebody have 16 friends? You go to 16 versus 16 limit time mode, and I don't get how you can have that much people. Sorry, I'm not talking.
Just thought somebody in my class. I thought I saw them playing, but it's different. It's
Okay,
Alex.
we don't
Can
have
you join?
Okay, we're not going to tell people in your class because we don't.
Hey, I thought it was.
Somebody's name is BedWars,
Oh yeah, it's somebody's name is
and he has 3D3.
Not the best, but pretty good, I would say. When I only have
Alex, what do you mean? We only have
I saw
two.
somebody with 107.
107. That's okay.
What's he on?
Oh, Alex, somebody's name has a noob in it, and there's two noobs. I think they're twins. Oh, ooh, this is a new nap, but kind of ugly.
Did he just say ugly?
Ooh, it's a jungle. I don't know where it is actually. For the first time in my life, I actually didn't notice. Wait,
they're coming!
What? Oh.
Protect the beds!
Protect the bed! That bed is weak.
No! Please kill her!
Please. We're not noobs. I shouldn't call us. I'm a noob. Of course I'm a noob because I am a noob. Hey, that was a good one. Oh, and you loot, Alex?
No.
Wow, people are getting. I think people are breaking beds early because. Oh my goodness! Beds are being broken fast. Can you tell me somebody's here next? Alex? Ow! Oh.
No, I'm going to die.
Okay, guys. Sadly, that's end this video. But make sure leave a like and subscribe.
And leave a comment down below and say
something.
Say something like, thanks for, you're so good. You always die, we're proud.
Yeah. So, bye guys.